trying to stack cause I've been poor. And you'll say it's my time to blow, I'm just lining up all that C4. Lord knows how I'm still low, but I'm thankful cause my heart's pure. Running life in that fast lane and I pray to God that I can't stall. More time, I need more dough. More rhymes, I got more flows. More time for some more shows, getting more money, doing more road. More love, I don't need stress. Remember days when I seen less money and less friends, so I told my mum I don't need this. Now I'm back to back in that wine house like I'm back to black. And yeah, I had to trap in that white house like a young Barack. It's like most things never made sense till I was broken lonely trying to pay rent. Had a broken heart with no dough, I was getting faded like a shaved head. So I told my bro that it's go time. Told them girls I got no time, she won't give me brain, I pay her no mind. I treat a new thing like an old slime. Getting judged for my old crimes cause we put in work with some old timers. Know me well, I'm a known grinder. When it comes to rap, I'm a cold rhymer.
When you say you're right, but you know you're wrong, then have you the right to carry on? When you say you're right, but you know you're wrong, you want to know what's going on.
Yo, I've had cold nights in the summer. Now all I got is this cold heart. I'm still rolling around with my head tight, so I couldn't care if this road's hot. Couldn't care what these people think. Couldn't care what these people say. Couldn't care what the world's on, cause it's really all about me today. Man, I came up with a pound coin that was 2 wings and chips. See, last year it was Joe Nights, I was on the wing with my chips. I was in my pad and pen, having dreams of this shit. Now I'm never ever going back again, cause I believe in this thing. I'ma wrap my ass up till the day they take me down. My mama told me, baby, go and make me proud. So I get my kicks and go kick it. Came up from selling tickets. Now I'm thinking live show so I can sell out on tickets. Told the world that it's showtime. Never needed no cosign, but I've consigned on the roadside. And I put in work in that slow line. Writing rap since 05, so it's overdue that I go right. If I die today, man, don't cry. Just tell my shooter that's go time.
When you say you're right,